Hey everyone, and once again welcome to WsCubeTech. Myself Umar Taskir. Guys, in this particular video we are going to learn that how can we create sitemaps, XML sitemaps basically, and then how can we actually upload those sitemaps on our website. So you can see on my laptop screen I have a demo website over here which is like ecommarket.xyz. So this is basically a demo website. So now we are going to create the sitemap for this website, and we'll be uploading the sitemap in the root folder of this website. So we need a hosting panel for that. We'll be doing all those things, right? So please watch this video carefully till the very end. We'll be discussing so many important things in this particular video. So here we can check that whether sitemap is present over here or not. So right now I'm putting the URL of this sitemap. You can easily find that sitemap is not present over here. So now we have to create the sitemap. So to create sitemap, you just have to simply go to Google and type like create XML sitemap. Very simple. You just have to write this thing, and the first link that you are going to see will be from XML sitemap generator, right? So you just click on this XML sitemap generator, and then you have to put your URL over here. Let me take the URL from here. So I have just pasted this thing over here. The URL I have just pasted over here. Actually, the time which is involved in creating the sitemap depends on the size of your website, right? And the number of the URLs that your website has, the number of categories, subcategories your website has. So you have some more options over here where you do have the option of including the last modification, page last modification attribute, which is something like if we come to any other web sitemap. Okay, I'm taking you to another sitemap just to show you the how it actually looks. And then there is page priority attribute. So we have to select both these things by default, right? So I'll be selecting it as mentioned over here. It's like automatically, so that's absolutely fine for us. Let us select this as automatically, and you can see the priority and last modification, right? These two things are actually generated automatically if we select them as automatic. Now we just have to click on this start, and I don't think so this website is going to take so much of time, just because this is a very light, I mean 1 or 2 pages are only there. So it will take around like you see only 2 seconds are remaining. If you are going to create a sitemap for a bigger website, it's going to take a lot of time for you. A lot of means it will be taking around like 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, that much amount of time. So here it is. Now the sitemap is perfectly done. Now we have to click on this visit sitemap details. Now here is your sitemap. It contains all the information about your URLs. Now we have to download this sitemap. Okay, perfect. We have to download this sitemap right over here, and we have to take this sitemap to our hosting. So once we come to hosting, we have to go to file manager. Let me explain you the process. We have to go to file manager, and in file manager we have to find the root folder of our website or our domain. So here it is. We have to come over here and we have to upload this thing, the file that we have downloaded, the XML file that we have downloaded over here. So we just have to come to this thing, and we have to go to this download section. That is the file sitemap.xml. So now I have to upload the file over here. So let me select this file, and I have changed the name. It was sitemap1 earlier. Now I have changed it as sitemap.xml. So I'll open it, sitemaps.xml, and we'll come back to this this folder. And now we will come back to our website just to refresh and see that whether it is working or not. So I'll change this as Sitemaps, and then I'll be clicking on enter. You can see over here. So now we have sitemap present on our website. Now what we have to do is basically we have to go to Google Search Console, and in Google Search Console we have to give the address of the sitemap to Google Search Console. So let me tell you about the process, that how we are going to do this. We have to go to Google Search Console. So now I am into my Google Search Console thing. You just have to come to this sitemap thing. Perfect. Here is the sitemap. You just have to come to this sitemap thing, and you have to put the URL of the sitemap. So for example, the URL for us is basically like this, right? Ignore this thing. I am telling you on different website because this is a demo website and do not have Google Search Console connected with this website. So please ignore this thing. Just imagine this is ecommarket.xyz, and now I have to put the address of our sitemap, and then we have to click on the submit. That's it. Now our sitemap is submitted, and our sitemap is live on our website and submitted into the Google Search Console. This is how you are going to submit your sitemap practically to Google Search Console and to upload on your website. That's it for this particular video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.